First, you need to create a webhook. Click the profile icon on the upper right hand of your screen. Then click Webhooks. Click the Action dropdown. Click Change Pipeline Stage. Then click Create Webhook. Click Copy Link to the clipboard. Then go to the other platform that you want to integrate with. In my example, I have a workflow that when a sales team appointment is booked, I want this data to be sent to this webhook so I can update my lead into the call book stage. Remember, this is my specific workflow. Yours may look different depending on which external platform you are using and what workflow you are creating. In my example, my trigger is sales team appointment booked, and I added a webhook action, as you can see here. So I'm going to click into the webhook box. I'm going to see the URL area here. This is where I'm going to put the webhook that I just copied. Remember, where you need to enter your webhook may look different based on what external platform you are using. I'm going to go ahead here and enter my custom webhook URL here. Then I'm going to click Save Action. If you're using a CRM similar to mine, make sure that you click the final save button and also make sure your workflow is set to publish. Now, I need to send data to the webhook link to complete this webhook setup. To do this, I need to trigger my specific action. My specific trigger is a sales team appointment booked. Remember, your trigger may be something else, such as a form is filled out. So since my specific trigger is a sales team appointment booked, I am going to go ahead and book a sales team appointment. Great! If everything was completed properly, your data should have been received by the webhook. Now it's time to complete the setup below. You can enter in a webhook friendly name here. If you want the webhook to be active after finishing the setup and clicking Save, then toggle on Enable Webhook. Now it's time to map the fields. Please map the fields from the incoming data with our available fields below. If the data is not relevant and you do not want to map it, then simply ignore. I would say the ones you must do are the contact ID. The field on this one will be lead ID. Phone will be assigned to the field of telephone. When you're finished mapping your data, scroll to the bottom. Click the button that says Add Custom Value. This is where we specify what pipeline stage the leads will be moved to. Click Select a Field. Click Pipeline Stage ID. To get the pipeline stage ID, go to the pipeline that has the stage you want the leads moved to. For example, I want the leads to change to the pipeline stage Call Booked. So you can mouse over the stage to obtain the pipeline stage ID number, or you can simply click the three dots on this stage, click Edit Stage, then you can copy the pipeline stage ID here. Then you can go back into the webhook setup area, and then you can paste the pipeline ID that you just copied. When your webhook setup is done, click Save Changes. Well done! As you can see here, you have your new webhook created here. Remember, it is active if you see the green button that says Active here.